In this video, we're going to be talking about Threads, which is a new app released by Meta, which is a direct competitor to Twitter. Now, through this app, you'll be able to do the same things that you were able to do on Twitter, like creating content, sharing posts, sharing videos, sharing photos, with a difference. Two main differences to note are that firstly, you have got increased character count of up to 500 words, and you can also post videos of up to 5 minutes long. Now, the main question that everybody has on their minds is this going to be the app that's going to shut Twitter down? So let's get into it and find out. So the first thing that we need to talk about is, why is Meta getting into the tech space and why are they competing with Twitter? I mean, like, Mark Zuckerberg already owns Facebook and Instagram, and to put together, they have got over 5 billion users. Why exactly would they want to come into this space? Now, maybe you hadn't heard anything about this, but Elon Musk bought Twitter a couple of months ago, and a lot of users on Twitter have not been happy with the way that he's been running it, with a lot of changes made. A lot of the internal staff of Twitter actually lost their jobs because of the new approach that Elon Musk wanted to take. And because a lot of people were not happy, I assume that Mark Zuckerberg saw an opportunity there, and then he actually threatened to come up with a competitor to Twitter. And they kind of had a bit of a bout on Twitter, which actually led them to talking about actually having a live MMA fight where it's going to be Elon Musk versus Mark Zuckerberg to see who is actually the better fighter. Now, if you read in between the lines, you'd actually realize that that fight or that bout is as a result of the fact that Meta is mentioning that they want to come up with a competitor to Twitter. Fast forward a couple of weeks and Meta has just launched their new Threads app, which works exactly the same as Twitter in that it's a text-based app, and you'll also be able to share content just like Twitter, with a twist in that you'll be able to share more characters with up to 500 characters, and you'll also be able to share videos up to 5 minutes long. Now, let me actually show you what it feels and looks like to actually use the Threads app. So there are two ways that you can go about it to get this app. Firstly, if you're using Apple or even using Android, you just simply go to the App Store or the Play Store and then just simply search for Threads, and then you will find the app there, and then you just simply need to just download it to your phone. The other option is that you simply go to your Instagram profile, and then you just simply click on the menu option to the top right corner, and then you see the second option there which says Threads. You just click on that, and then it's going to ask you to get Threads, which once again will take you to the Play Store, and you can just simply download it. Because I've already downloaded it, I'm just going to click on open. And once you have downloaded it, it works and looks similar to Twitter. As you can see here, you'll be able to post text, you'll be able to post videos, and you'll be able to share exactly the same Twitter experience, except that it just has a different interface. Now, when you log in as a new user, it's going to bring you to a page that looks like this. And one of the best features of this is that you actually can import your profile from Instagram. So rather than you actually creating, like writing your name, your bio, and then your link, you can just simply import all those details from Instagram. Like here, I'm just going to do this on one of my other profiles, and then you just click on next, and then you get to choose whether it's going to be a public profile or it's going to be a private profile. And as you can see, those are the different options there. For private, it means that very few people will be able to access your account. I'm just going to leave it on public. And then it's going to ask you, who do you want from Instagram to follow you? And I think this is a game changer, because now everyone who is on your Instagram following can immediately start following you. For example, if I just click on follow all the people who are following me on Instagram will automatically be added to my Threads account. They will be notified that I'm following them. Then there's going to be this short detailed page explaining how exactly Threads work. You can just go through that and just read about it. And then you just click on join Threads. And then now you've got the different menu options right here at the bottom. The first one, as you can see, is the home page. If I click on home, it's going to just refresh the whole page and show me the latest posts. The second one is for you to search. You'll be able to search and find anyone. For example, if I type and say Mark Zuckerberg, there he is, he appears at the top, and I can just click on follow, and then as simple as that, I'm now following him. The third option is for you to actually start writing a tweet. And as I mentioned, you can write tweets that are as long as up to 500 characters. Now, as you can see here, I've made my first post here. I don't know what to call this. I don't know whether to call it a tweet or to call it a thread, but just the same way that Twitter works, in that you can post, people will be able to like, people will be able to comment, this is dope. People will be able to, okay, I don't know if that's to retweet. Okay, it's called repost. And then people will be able to also to share that to their story, to their feed, to tweet, copy link, share via different options like maybe your WhatsApp or other options. The next feature at the bottom is where you'll be able to see all the different activity. For example, maybe the people who have mentioned you, the people who have replied to you, basically all the activity that you have been doing on your account. And then the last option there is for your profile, where you'll be able to see all your details. You can come here and make sure you can come here and then maybe just edit your profile, share your profile, and see all the content that you would have shared. So in a nutshell, that's the Threads app for you. Let me know in the comment section below what you think. Do you think that this app is the new game changer that's totally going to shut down Twitter? Or do you feel like this is just another app just to add to the list and Twitter is still going to survive? If you like this video, make sure that you hit the like button just to show your support, and make sure that you subscribe to the channel so that you'll be notified every single time I drop more content like this, designed to keep you in the know of what's happening around you. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.